Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're talking about Fazaa card. Fazaa card is an initiative with the Social Security Fund under Ministry of Interior providing card holder with exclusive discount and variety of service and including retail, rental service, university fees and many more. To get Fazaa card you need to ensure eligibility criteria. Next, start by visiting official website and register. We will need to enter your company code and provide your personal details such your name and mobile number. After that, submitting your details and you will receive verification code via your SMS and enter your code and then complete your register process and download the app from App Store or Play Store. And you can use the member ID, your Google and the password, your ID and password, and you can log in through a pass account. After that you can start using the Fazaa card. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you, then thanks for watching. See you on another video soon.